To keep your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra screen on while you are looking at it, first you have to enable keep screen on while viewing feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap screen time off. And then tap the gray on offset next to keep screen on while viewing until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When you enable this option, your phone will keep the screen on when the front camera detects your face looking at the screen. You can use this feature to keep your screen on while you need to read something long on your phone, such as a story, without you have to turn on the screen manually each time the screen time out on your phone is over. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.